Hi, I'm Kimberly Schneiderman, Senior Practice Development Manager at Randstad RiseSmart, here with your Smart Tip. In early 2021, several themes emerged related to how companies engage with, support, and recruit talent in their organizations. Themes such as employee experience, skill development, wellness, hybrid workplaces, flexibility and agility, and diversity, equity, inclusion, and belonging reflect corporate values. They address how an organization treats its employees, how open they are to alternative approaches to work, and their commitment to future-proofing employees' careers through learning and upskilling, as well as mental health and wellness support and fair and equitable treatment for all individuals. At Randstad RiseSmart, our program participants are often interested in working for organizations that exemplify these values in the way that they do business. Here are some questions that you can ask during your interviews to understand if and how a company's operations and values align with your own. First, what discoveries did you make about team members' work habits and needs during the pandemic? How has the company adjusted expectations to fit employees' needs since the pandemic began? What innovations were created or introduced as a result of the pandemic? Tell me about the company's talent management and retention strategy. And when you ask this question, you'll listen for upskilling, reskilling, employee experience, and equity initiatives, wellness benefits, or redeployment programs. Another question is, when you look to the future, what role do you see playing at the company? And you can fill that blank in with diversity, equity, inclusion, belonging, wellness, automation, employee experience, skilling, or flexibility, whatever is important to you. And another question that you can ask is, how is the company blank for remote workers? And in this case, you might fill the blank in with asking about fostering camaraderie, encouraging teamwork, ensuring appropriate recognition, or ensuring communications for those remote workers. In addition to asking questions, given the emergence of these values in the corporate workplace, companies are asking candidates, such as yourself, questions along these same lines. As you prepare for your interviews, plan out how you will answer some of the questions that you can expect, such as, how did you set yourself up for success during remote work? What innovations did you jump on? Which ones did you shy away from? How did you stay in touch with leadership and teammates during remote work time? And which software programs and collaboration or communication tools did you have to learn? Another question is, how do you bring equity and inclusion to your work? And what have you done to upskill or reskill recently? We encourage you to continue to research how the impact of events over the last several months continues to influence the corporate world and job market. Consider how you can adjust and respond to those influences in the actions that you take in your job search. It might be asking a question like the ones mentioned here, or it could be creating a list of target companies that have been vocal about their position and values on relevant workplace themes that are important to you. Thank you for joining me today. For more ideas in your job search, be sure to tune in to upcoming webinars.